What's going on, Warenotice? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shaymuma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, today in this Warenotice video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch. I have with me the 46mm silver version. This bad boy also comes in a 42mm, obviously smaller size, and that comes in one of two different colors, a midnight black version and also a rose gold version. The 46mm, it only comes in this color right here. And yeah, as the bigger Samsung Galaxy Watch, this one costs about $350 before taxes. Those other two, those cost about $330. And yeah, this here is clearly the Big Daddy version of the watch, so you know I just had to pick it up, try it out. I mean, 46mm. Oh yeah, this is a big boy right here. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing this bad boy right here. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So here we are, folks, up close and personal with the Samsung Galaxy Watch box. And yeah, here on the front says Galaxy Watch, Samsung, 46mm Bluetooth. Here's a little picture of that bad boy, and that picture sort of continues onto this side right here. And then if we flip this box over here to this side, you'll see some of the different features. It's got, quote, long battery life, end quote. It also talks about some of the fitness stuff it can do, as well as the fact that apparently you can even swim in this bad boy. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And without further ado, let's open it up. What are we waiting for, folks? So over here on the back, it was sealed with these two little pieces of tape. I just sliced them open so we could let this box fall out just like this. And let's see, Samsung Galaxy Watch. Here it is, folks. Wow, look at that bad boy right there. Here it is right here on this camera. And yeah, let's pull it out of the box right here. Samsung Galaxy Watch. We can just put that to the side while we explore what else is in the box. So let's pull up right here on this tab, and let's see, nothing there. Looks like there are two different compartments. What's in here? Looks like, what do we have? The AC adapter for charging it, plugging it into the wall, and then what else? Here we've got, what is this? The quick start guide right there, and then we've also got a little pouch going on that looks like it has, what is this? Yep, a little band in there for the watch. So yep, there that is. Now right here we've got another little compartment. What's in here? Let's see. We've got this is the USB cable that comes with the watch right there. And then right here we've got the little docking station that you can charge it on. That's pretty cool that it even comes with a dock, this bad boy. And yeah, we can put all that to the side for now. And now we can finally get to the star of the show, the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Let's put this bad boy on, see how it feels. Right here it's still got some plastic on it right there, and some plastic right there too. So let's just pop it open. Come on, little guy, come out. And yep, we can slide that off. And then here's another piece. Can this slide off nice and easy? Looks like actually we can just peel it off sort of like that. That's better. And then lastly, it looks like there's a little bit of a film over the screen, so let's peel that off too. Just like that. That was easy. And now that's nice and naked, we can finally put it on my wrist. So let's get that bad boy on. Just slide in there. Come on, little guy. That's actually a very squishy band, kind of fun to play with like that. And anyway, now let's just put it on like that. Stick that in there. And voila, Samsung Galaxy Watch on my wrist, baby. And now without further ado, let's set this bad boy up. I have right here my Essential phone, and I have the Samsung Galaxy wearable app right here. So let's start. So let's see if we can get this bad boy turned on. And there it says Galaxy Watch. It's booting up, getting ready for us to set it up. And welcome. So yeah, welcome, Galaxy Watch. Already downloaded the app. And actually, while we're talking about downloading apps, this bad boy, the Samsung Galaxy Watch, it can work with both Android phones, like the Essential phone right here, as well as iPhones. And now, start the journey. Now, Galaxy Watch. Ooh, and I just felt a little vibration right here. We got matching codes. So, pair. Check. And let's see. Hey. Okay, install that. Brought us to the Google Play Store, install. And now it wants us to install something else, okay. Samsung Accessory Service, install. Boop, boop, boop. Again, that's in the Google Play Store. Just took us right over to it. And back in the Galaxy Wearable app now. Let's see. Allow, and pairing underway. Cool. That's what we're waiting for, folks. And waiting. Terms and conditions, agree to all. Except I'm gonna uncheck the bottom one, report diagnostic info, now next. And Samsung account, skip. Now it's talking about something to stay connected, okay. Let it always run in the background. And just like that, wow, that was easy, you're all set. So, how to use, let's look at this. And now that this bad boy is all set up, as you can see right there, let's get to playing with it. So, let's go turn clockwise to look at the widgets. Ooh, and turn the other way to see the watch face. Ooh, turn again, see notifications. This is the back key right here. Here, this says this is the home key, and there are the apps. Now, swipe down to look at settings and other stuff, and cover to turn off the screen. Hey, that's it. Now that we've been through that little tutorial, let's play with this bad boy. So unlike other smartwatches that I've looked at in the past on the channel, this one is running Samsung's own operating system called Tizen. Other smartwatch operating systems include the one that runs on the Apple Watch, that's called watchOS, and the ones that run on Wear OS smartwatches. Guess what that's called? That's called Wear OS. That's Google's version of a smartwatch operating system. And I mean, yeah, now that you know that, let's look at this bad boy some more. So we can turn this rotating bezel to look at the notifications. And over here, we can look at the different widgets. So there's weather, some suggested apps, fitness information, ooh, lots of various things. Let's come over here. This is the back button, so we can go back to the watch screen, and over here, this button, this is the home button, so we can look at the different apps that are going on here. Let's see, the phone, contacts, Samsung Health, Galaxy app settings, all these different things. So next page, sure, let's look at that. Ooh, and we can just look through here. Let's talk to Bixby, actually. I think that'll be fun. So Bixby, allow Bixby to access your microphone. Sure. Agree. Bixby, who is Steve Jobs? I could not find the answer to your question. Oh boy. What time is it?
The local time is 3:03 p.m.
Okay. Bixby says it's 3:03. Who am I?
A good friend.
True. Very true. Now, folks, back to the watch face. Let's look at some more apps. So we can press this little button right here, come over to all the apps. Let's look at the calendar. And as you notice, you can also use the rotating bezel to scroll through things in the app. So as you can see, we're scrolling through the different months here. That's pretty cool. And yeah, as you'll notice, the rotating bezel, it's got some markings on it. And also, if you look inside of the rotating bezel, right there, back button, you'll see that there are little numbered markings on there. So as you can see, keep scrolling through different events in the calendar right there. That's pretty nice. How about now we can look at changing the watch face. So just let's hold down. That one's Tomcat. We've got classic, utility, all these different ones. Let's see, what do you guys think would look pretty nice on here? How about, let's see. I think that classic one would look kind of cool. Look at that. It looks kind of fancy. It's got like a rose gold look going on right there. What do you guys think of that? Pretty nice. And yeah, as I'm actually noticing that, looks like the shimmer going on there seems to move as I move the watch. You guys picking that up? That's pretty interesting. And yeah, without further ado, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. Just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So definitely make sure you smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for my full review of this bad boy. And yeah, if you like this video, if you want to see more awesome technology videos just like this one, and like that full review coming very soon, definitely, like I said, be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out.